Kelly Shaffner here. Welcome to my final video of 2019. Can you believe it? 2019 has come to an end and we will start a brand new decade tomorrow. I'm pretty excited. I always enjoy new beginnings. Today I have a Bolzano handbag subscription to unbox with you, and I am so happy that you have popped into my channel to check out what I got in my Bolzano handbag subscription. I know it's busy. Everyone's getting ready for the big holiday. Are you going out? How are you celebrating 2020's arrival? Please leave it in the comments below. Let me know how you celebrate. Well, I am hoping to wear my handbag. We'll see. We'll see if I like this handbag. This is a handbag subscription, a monthly subscription that Bolzano Handbags sends to me. Leilani, the owner of this company, actually gifts me with this handbag in exchange for my honest review. So that's what we are going to do. Now, this subscription is similar to the style subscriptions in that you do fill out a style profile and you get a surprise handbag every month. If you just want to receive a handbag every month, the price of that is around $34. But if you want the deluxe version, which is what Leilani sends me, this is about $43.95. It's under $44. And this one comes with a handbag selected especially for me. It also comes with beauty products and accessories or jewelry. And this one is under $44. If you would like more information about getting a Bolzano handbag subscription for yourself or for a loved one, this makes a really nice gift. I have left everything that I know in the description box below, so check it out if you are interested. So this is how every handbag comes from Bolzano Handbags. They do come in a dust bag, and there's also the Bolzano signature ribbon and a little card here that says, "You deserve to be spoiled." So let's see what's inside this one. Oh, this one looks like a black bag. Oh, this one feels really nice. What's that? I got this. Okay, here it is. This is the handbag. Okay, it needs to be shaped a little bit. This bag, I took it out of the poly mailer that it was mailed in because this one got beat up in transit and it was taped all the way around the bag. And I think that was something that happened at the post office or somewhere on its journey. And yeah, this one needs a little bit of shaping, but this is a black, it's like a pebbled leather, or this might be a faux leather. Bolzano often sends the faux leather, vegan leather. It's 100% PETA certified vegan leather, and I suspect it might be that, but this is great imitation leather. And this one does have a zip pocket. Let's see the pull. Okay, there's the pull, and a zip pocket in the back, which is a necessity for me because this is where I put my cell phone. Then we do have the Bolzano embossed logo on the front. See the inside. Okay. There is a silver zip, and you can see it does have the crossbody hooks there. So I think every single Bolzano handbag I have received does come with, oh, there's so many goodies in here. Yeah, it does come with a shoulder strap. So I don't use these. I save these and I actually keep them in the bag. Here is a postcard, and this is about the purse companions, the beauty products and the accessories and jewelry I was telling you about. You can add that onto your subscription at any time. So just some information about that. Let me show you the inside of this bag. Okay, this looks nice. Can you see it? So this is just a big open bag. There are no compartments there. There is a couple slip pockets on this side and a zip pocket over here. Let's see, how deep is it? Oh, okay. So yeah, that's what this looks like. And it's all lined in black. I do not have a black bag. I haven't carried a black bag in a long, long time. And I think this one is going to work out nicely. Oh, there's feet on the bottom as well. Okay, really nice. Let me put my crossbody back in there. Oh my gosh. Hey, here you have it. We have 2 bags of goodies, and you can see there is a holiday theme on this one, and this bag was actually sent before Christmas. It was delivered accidentally to my neighbors who were out of town, so I had to wait for my neighbors to return from their holiday travels to get my bag. So I'm still really happy to get this. Let's see. Let me see. What do we have? We have some buffalo check, which is super cool. Oh, oops. Okay, so this is a keychain with the cute holiday buffalo check. I don't know if that's just holiday, but yeah, that's what I think of. And this is a lip balm. It's a cappuccino lip balm. Do I have it upside down? Cappuccino lip balm. Okay, that is nice. I always lose my chapsticks inside my purse, so that will be really nice and handy. Easier to find than the way I do it. Just toss it in. Okay, let's see. What else do we have? Ooh. All right. We have, oh my gosh, I told you this was a rough journey. We have a brush here. And this is it says cosmetic brush. So there is the brush in a rose gold, which this brush actually matches some other tools that Bolzano has sent me in the past, so that's nice. This is super soft, really nice. I just want to brush myself. Okay, so a cosmetic brush. Okay, so next, oh my goodness, there's a couple of the eye masks, and I'm really excited about this. I have never, ever used an eye mask. So this is what I'm doing for the New Year's. I'm going to use an eye mask. There's no instructions. So do I just put them on my eyes and relax, I guess? If you know how to use these, leave it in the comments below, because I'm going to do this, and in my next video, you probably will not recognize me. And then the final beauty product is a blush, a highlighter, a Desi blush number 6. This is what it looks like. Let me open it. Okay, so that is what it looks like. Pretty. Okay. Oh. Yeah. Okay, fun. Thank you so much, Bolzano. And bag number 2, let's see what we have. I'm guessing we have some jewelry. Okay, we have 3 bags here. This looks gorgeous. Okay, we'll start with some super sparkly, it's a bracelet. Oh my goodness. Okay, look at that. This is so pretty. Let me try to get up close. You see how that kind of sticks up there? And so this is a silver tone. I'm sure it's a rhinestone bracelet. This is gorgeous. Really, really pretty. Wow, this is beautiful. Next up, I think we have some earrings. Oh. Wow. Okay, this is what the earrings look like. And those are so unusual. I've never seen anything like them. So they are a stud, and then they dangle, and then they have this really interesting bauble at the bottom. Really fun. Let's see. I like it. And the final piece of jewelry is, oh my God, you guys, look. It's the exact same earrings. So usually in Bolzano handbags, you would receive a necklace. Normally it coordinates if it's not an exact match, and I'm sure this was just an oversight, but I'm actually really happy to have 2 pairs of the same exact set. And why, you ask? Because my friend Barbie has given me an Earring of the Month Club subscription, and I'm going to gift her with a pair of earrings, and they're actually matching earrings with me. And fun fact about Barbie and I, sometimes we dress alike. Yes, we started that when we were 11 years old, and we haven't stopped. So yeah, Barbie and I are going to have matching earrings now. That is everything in my December Bolzano handbag subscription, and it's fabulous. I'm actually really excited to have a nice size black handbag. I am going to change my handbag as soon as I finish filming this video. I do think black is a wonderful color to wear in these cold winter months, and I normally don't wear black, and Bolzano has been so good about sending me colorful, bright handbags, but it's time for a black bag. So this one came at the perfect time. I'm going to ring in the new year with a brand new black Bolzano handbag, and and my fancy new earrings. Look at how they catch the light. I like these a lot, and maybe I'm going to look a little bit more refreshed in the next decade. That's what I'm hoping for. This Bolzano handbag subscription was a lot of fun. Thank you so much for joining me. And on that note, I would like to thank each and every one of you for spending your time with me in 2019. Even if this is the very first video that you have watched, thank you for choosing to spend a little bit of your time with me. I am so excited for 2020, a brand new decade, and I have some fun videos planned. I sure hope that you will subscribe and join me for this journey. That would be awesome. I wish you all a blessed and peaceful and safe 2020. Celebrate, enjoy, and I will see you in the next decade. Blessings to all of you.